Welcome back to Latest Tech. To add reset the Redmi 13c, all you have to do is to power off the device. Press the power key to power off the device. Press and hold the cursor to drag the option upward in order to restart the device. The next thing you have to do in order to add reset the device when it completely turns off is to press the volume up key and the power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. When you hear vibration, release the two keys in order to access the recovery menu. Use the volume down key to click or to select wipe data. The next thing you have to do is to press the power key to kickstart the resetting process. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Latest Tech.